Tahoe Meadows off the Mount Rose Highway between Reno and Lake Tahoe is a popular place for all kinds of recreation.
Tahoe Meadows is by far our most visited trailhead out of all of the system trails on the Carson District. Any given middle of the week, you can see hundreds of people out here just enjoying what nature has to offer.
And all that use, with plenty of help from Mother Nature, takes a toll on the infrastructure here. That's why Forest Service crews replaced the bridge over Ophir Creek on Wednesday.
This is Great American Outdoors Act funding, GAOA funding. We got special designated funding from Congress for good recreation infrastructure. The existing bridge was damaged in 2017, kind of a really, really heavy snow load year. And so we've band-aided it the last couple of years, and it's getting worse and worse every winter. So we're replacing it with this beautiful kind of steel truss bridge.
The boardwalk is key to protecting the sensitive environment here, and work to replace the aging sections is ongoing. Right now, Carson Trail crews are working on the Upper Meadows area in collaboration with the National Forest Foundation to make sure everyone can enjoy this view.
We get school groups doing field trips out here, people with access needs, like pretty much anybody can get here.
The work is being done in sections to keep most of the area open and accessible to all.
The public is really appreciative of the work, and everybody's respecting closed areas, and they're just eager and happy to see the new section open up.
We want to make sure that our natural resources are protected, but people can enjoy the area as well.